Hey there, in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to crop an image online using Canva. Cropping is one of those essential design skills you'll use all the time, whether it's for social posts, presentations, or just making your visuals look clean. Let's get started. First, open your Canva design. If you haven't uploaded your image yet, go ahead and upload it now. Once it's on the canvas, simply click on the image. When the image is selected, you'll see a toolbar appear at the top. Look for the crop icon. It usually looks like two overlapping right angles or a cut corner symbol. Click on it. After clicking, Canva gives you an option called Smart Crop. This automatically detects the most important part of your image and suggests a crop for you. It's a quick way to save time. If Smart Crop isn't quite right, don't worry. You can adjust the crop manually by dragging the corners or edges of the crop box until the focus is exactly where you want it. Take a moment to check the composition. Is your subject centered? Do you have enough space around it? Cropping isn't just about trimming, it's about framing your subject to make the image stronger. Once you're happy with the crop, click the Done button. Your image is now clean, framed, and ready to be used in your Canva design. And that's it. You've just learned how to crop an image online in Canva.